Hi, I'm David Robson.
Hi, I'm Jelena Vesic.
Welcome to our channel, our YouTube channel. We wanted to let you know about us and why you should listen to everything we say. Do you want to go first, Jelena?
Sure. So I came to yoga through my ballet practice. I was classically trained, and I remember my friend asking me to go to yoga class with her. That was over 12 years ago. I slowly started doing more and more yoga because it was really a way for me to heal my body, and it was Ashtanga, where for the first time in class I felt really humbled and empowered. I really deeply fell in love with the idea that it's structured, that there is a lineage and that you're part of that lineage, that there's teachings that are being passed on to you from generation to generation, and the wisdom that goes just past one individual, but rather this greater collective knowledge. I am deeply, deeply grateful for finding this practice.
And me.
And you.
You're deeply grateful for finding me.
For finding David, who is my husband, by the way.
Yes, we're married.
We're married.
So I have a very similar, I think probably most people have the same kind of experience starting yoga. I'd always been interested in what used to be considered esoteric, kind of out there, yoga, things like that. And I was studying comparative religion in university. And there was a studio near the university, a Shivananda studio. I went there and I immediately fell in love with it. And I was kind of shopping around and doing different styles of yoga, and I found Ashtanga and then Mysore style. And then I went to India in 2002 for the first time. I've been going back pretty regularly since then. Eventually started teaching traditional Ashtanga and opened up the studio here in Toronto in 2008 and tried to, get everyone else to practice Ashtanga. Jelena put it really well, the whole idea of tradition being so much bigger than any of us individually. And that's really what we try to pass on, is the tradition of Ashtanga in our tutorials, and then also what we've learned about how to survive the tradition, how to do your practice safely and over a long, long period of time, right? I've been doing it now for over 20 years, close to 25, and I've been teaching for 20 of those years. And it's very important to me that we maintain the integrity of the tradition, because I believe that's where a lot of the power, the efficacy of it is, right? So without altering the teaching, we just want, through our tutorials and through our teaching and our studio, for absolutely everyone to feel welcome to practice.
I think one of the most important parts of being connected to any lineage, to any teaching, is also the community that's created around it. And so for me, it's one of the things that brings me most joy, is being the person that holds space for everyone else to come together and then do what they need to do on their mat and practice and kind of help us cultivate this unity in a way that extends, again, not just about unity within you, but unity with everything around you. It teaches us also to have fun while we're also being serious and committing ourselves to this tradition.
Yeah, this lifestyle.
Lifestyle, yes.
Yeah, I feel like this is our chance too with this channel, is to broaden our community. Now we're bringing it to you. And so welcome, we're happy to have you here.
We'll be putting out videos regularly, so make sure you subscribe, and then you also can comment or write to us and let us know what are the tutorials that you want to see here.
Bye.